Okay, we're here today to talk about testing electric brake controllers. I got a 2013 GMC Sierra. In the past, I've only ever had this tool. This is from IPA. It's a good tool. Plug it into your 7-way. The only problem with it is it'll test every circuit except for the electric brakes. And why is that? Because the electric brake sensor, if you will, inside this vehicle is looking for the signal from the trailer. So it's looking for something that mimics trailer brakes. I tried hanging a couple of resistors off of this. It did not do it. So whatever it is, it's not a couple of resistors. I could have just hung some brake magnets off of it. What I really wanted to see was my output matching, because it doesn't feel like it when I tow the trailer. So I want to see if what the truck says I'm getting is what I'm actually getting. So that brings me to the IPA brake force meter. This is basically a diagnostic tool. There's a microprocessor inside. It comes with a 25-foot cable. I'm going to plug it into the truck, and then we'll go into the cab. We'll see how it works. Anything else, make sure you get a good firm connection. So, okay, if you read the instructions, they tell you do not hook the tool up until the truck is running. Well, I'm already there, I already have the truck running. So if you get over my shoulder, you can see that I've got the gain set to 10. And I have no trailer connection. That's why you just see a bunch of dots. And if you're unfamiliar with it, this is what the brake controller setup looks like. Now, to talk about this real quick, the brake controller is actually integrated into the vehicle's ECU. It's connected to the output from the brake pressure and the speed sensor. It's maybe an oversimplified way of putting it, but GM is trying to look at your speed and your desired rate of braking and the load on the truck's braking system, and trying to send the appropriate signal back to the trailer so you don't feel the trailer push you when you go down the road. So I don't know if I'm in the viewpoint here, but what I'm going to do is connect this, and then quickly we'll pan up and show that the truck says trailer connected. So it's searching, trailer connected. If you come back here, you can see a few things happening. ECU detected. ECU detected means that the microprocessor in this tool adjusted its load accordingly, and it actually senses that the vehicle itself has a computer, and the computer must be working because they seem to have synced together. The power light is flickering here, which actually tells me a lot, because when I hooked up brake magnets, I was able to put a voltmeter there and I could see a little bit of a voltage flash, but I couldn't tell if that was something wrong with the vehicle or what. But right now, this is basically where I'm at. I've got 12 volt auxiliary power. I can turn on my lights. I've got lights, directionals, reverse lights. All my circuits seem to be working. You notice a little bit of blue lights came up. So let's do that. Let's hit my foot on the brake and watch it rise. Okay? You can see this went up to 10, and if you look at the screen, the gain's at 10. And now what I'm going to do is back off on the gain. Let's see, I'm at 7. The LED bar is showing 7. Keep going down. And what's cool about this is I'm actually proving to myself now that what the truck says it's putting out is what it's putting out. It makes me feel better when I've got, 5, 6, 7,000 pounds on the trailer. The other interesting thing here is how fast is the truck reacting to my foot. So if I put my foot on the brake, that's actually really interesting. Let me see if we can get this on the camera. I'll adjust the tool. See, this actually shows something that I thought I was experiencing with the trailer. Is that good? Can you get them both in the shot? What I want to show you now is when I put my foot on the brake, look at what the truck says the output is. Ready? Foot to the floor, and it says the output's all the way up. Watch how long it takes the scale to go up. So let's just do it again. All the yellow, my foot is on the floor, foot on the floor.